guys, what's up? It's Alex. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, then welcome, and thanks so much for joining me. Today, I'm super excited to bring you this new video. Obviously, I've never done this before, and it's just gonna be trial and error, but I kind of have an idea of what I wanna do. So yeah, we are gonna be making a ball gown from scratch, and I got this idea because I wanted to make a dress for my graduation, but like all of the dresses are so expensive, and I didn't want to spend a lot of money for a dress that I really wasn't going to wear more than once. So I went on YouTube, obviously, because it's the best in the world if you need to do something. So I went on YouTube and I was just like looking around, and I came across, I think her channel, Star Moon and Fire or something like that. I'll link it down below. I came across her video, and she talked about the tool shop, like where she got her material from. So yeah, if you want to see me do that, then keep watching. So I just like recorded a whole thing, and I realized that I didn't hit the record button, so that's fun. Okay, so what I'm gonna use is a crop top that I got from Windsor online. It was on sale for like $20, and then I went ahead and got this 50 yards of tulle fabric from the tool shop. This other black fabric is from Joann's. It was on sale for like $1 or $2 or something, I don't really remember. And then a marking pencil, some scissors, and then I'm gonna use some interfacing just to make the sash a little bit stiff to go around my waist, and then an iron to iron on the interface, and then obviously sewing machine and thread, which I don't have in this picture right now, but just black thread and my sewing machine. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys what the bolt of fabric looks like open. It's folded 4 ways under, but I'm gonna go ahead and just have it so that it's folded in half, so that it's like when you put it up to your waist, it's like floor length. And yeah, instead of like taking it all off and then unraveling it, I'm gonna unfold it as I sew it down. That way we'll just like cut out an extra step and it'll be a little bit easier. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this to the sewing machine and bring you guys along. Okay, so I hope you guys can see this okay, but I went ahead and unfolded the material just one time. And so there's still one fold all the way down, and it's loose ends on the opposite end. And I'm gonna go ahead and just sew a loose stitch all the way down so that it bunches up like this. We're basically just gonna gather this entire roll of fabric all the way up, and yeah, so then I'll cut it when I'm finished all the way, and that way we don't have to like roll off the whole thing and have a bunch of material, and I feel like I can control it a bit more. So I'm gonna go ahead and start doing that. I'm just gonna go ahead and sew all the way down, and hopefully this is quick. Okay, so I went ahead and did most of it, and then my thread like popped, so I decided to go ahead and pull it out. So the whole thing took me about 25 minutes, and now I'm just gonna pull on this one side. Like, I don't know if you can see this string, but I'm gonna pull on this string right here, and then it makes it gather like this. So I'm just gonna pull the entire way all the way around and then show you guys. Oh my goodness, so this skirt is so big and puffy. I love it. I ended up using probably, I'm gonna say like 40 yards of the tulle, And it's super easy with the machine to just like pull it through, but I did pop the string here on accident. I like pulled too hard. So right here in this middle part, it's like loose, so I have to just fix it by hand over here. You can't really see it because it all looks the same. But all together, up to this point, I would say it took about 25-30 minutes once I finished gathering it all like with the machine, and then doing the rest by hand is what took the longest because obviously you can't pull it too tight or else you'll pop it like I did. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and fix that, and then we'll move on to the sash, and I can't wait to put this on. Oh my God, I'm so excited. Okay, so I can't find my big ruler, but so I'm just gonna do this by hand. But basically, I'm going to cut this silky, it's like silky material on the back side. See, it's like shiny. I'm gonna cut this into wide strips, probably about 6 inches wide, and then sew them together long ways so that it'll fit down the length of the skirt, if that makes sense. Okay, it's the next night and I'm still super sick, so just sorry about my voice, but I'll show you what I went ahead and did last night. So I sewed all the sash pieces together, and if you can see, it goes from in my living room, and I'm standing like halfway through my kitchen, and it goes all the way across the skirt, and then almost to my bedroom door, which is over there. So it's super long. I've kind of positioned it equally between onto the skirt so that it's like even sashes on the side, so when I tie it around, have a nice even bow. And now I'm just gonna mark right here both edges of the skirt so that I know where to put the interfacing like proper. I might do the whole thing if I have enough, but really I just need it like really tough on the skirt, or like stiff. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut out the interfacing and then iron it onto the sash, and then we'll go ahead and sew the sash onto the skirt. So my time-lapse camera cut out, but you basically got the gist of it. So I ironed this down so it's stuck on there, and then you can see the difference like on the thing. So this is like very stiff and it'll hold up, and then this is super flowy. So yes, and I just did that all the way across the whole thing. And now we can go ahead and sew it onto the skirt. Okay, so I went ahead and sewed the sash onto the skirt. Apparently this is a different, it's like adhesive and not interfacing. Like I thought it was interfacing, but it's adhesive. So the paper just peels right off, and then this like sticks to each other like that. So I'm just gonna fold this in half. It's like this, and iron it down, and then we'll have the waistband. So I might just sew this on the bottom for reinforcement, like towards the inside, so it's like this. But I'm just gonna go ahead and fold it down and show you guys when I'm done. Here's the finished product. I went ahead and put it on my mannequin, and this is just the dress that I had made from another costume, the Good versus Bad Angel. You can go check that video out. But I just wrapped the skirt around my mannequin so I could show you the whole thing. And also I'm gonna wear this for my graduation dinner, and I didn't want to like show everybody the full effect because I just want to wear it that day. So anyways, here we go. This is the front, and I did cut off some excess tulle on the bottom because I was tripping over it so much. But anyways, it's like a big wrap skirt, and here's the bow in the back. I did also cut the bow strings much shorter because they were just trailing longer than the dress, and I didn't want to trip. So there we go. There's the back. Let's see if I can get the full effect. Sorry, my living room is a mess. I've got lots of graduation designs and decorations going on. But here we go. I'm so excited. This was so easy. It did take me, like, I stopped working on it. I think that I could make this in a day, possibly 2 days the longest. But yes, let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Alrighty, so gorgeous. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, all my socials are @SparklingAlex, or feel free to drop me a comment down below. And if you haven't checked out any of my other videos, go ahead and do so because they're pretty fun. Yeah, I think that's all I have today. So I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!